Then there will be on no Jim who parko meeting. Publishing me any mugwasia when you back bo no we need two. Maybe Agradaa me I will never get sympathy for you. Because what Tom me home bonnet dia pesika na bonnet na what Tom dia pesika no and nobody back on a fiano. Now when you are such sera back could be friaka home.
Yo, yeah. Hey, Ghana, medofo. Yeah. Me no ka say evangelist mama part. Dodo na nim say a friend no. Ye mami Agradaa. Enso edi na no ato. Kofi Adoma wani asem ni mu. Na de na dodo na ehwe anim afri ye mami ho no. Medofo ankoba ne sa. Ye mami mama part wabegyina Kofi Adoma wani konso ama. Hey, I think say Kofi hu ni video no ne kontene ne kra entene. Ghana. Yo. Yeah. So for mami Agradaa. Obapa, mami na day. Na se chra kronkron nimpo se bi so nua ye obone a fa che no. Mami. Sebi emre bi a etwam no se Kofi ya ho stories bi kra na mami anko ya. Empempenso a wadru ene bia ugina sesei no. Mami. For ni to Bible anim kakra we any day. Obapa. Yo. Na anhwe ya na wan hu sa channel we biem eno nti mesrew say subscribe to the Bonah Show na was be part of this bigger family biem nso say o akwantuo mu na ukọ Ghana na be Kumase na akodi udwuma na uduru Kumase be pepa bia da amoasom adwo 100% security a therefore call www.pcashproperties.com.
Then there will be on no Jim who parko meeting. Publishing me any mugwasia when you back bo no we need two. Maybe Agradaa me I will never get sympathy for you. Because what Tom me home bonnet dia pesika na bonnet na what Tom dia pesika no and nobody back on a fiano. Now when you are such sera back could be friaka home. And now your wife is sitting there talking, God is saying, do you know that there is God? And your husband was using some people's wife, some people's mother, using his platform, tarnishing their image. And then say appear di mi ko jina court in appear edi mi sun kunimua. And ka Kofi Adoma di nani ba kuna apro no ebe so camera to come and publish it. And can confounds in the ni yampo ka he will come and publish it. Kofi Adoma, you get the platform. When will be at you, when I will be at you, you have used so many years to disgrace me. Go many more say selling bad news against me. And I want to see so. Every cousin ye kwan in a new one chaya. Ye kwan or ye chan tro me kwaya sorry. Now you chan tro to me so. Now you're the hank of gumen sa. You were interview people one after the other. Now mkosa murukutun grofo. Munim say and Crawford almost saw one would do a interview. They did not come to the church, including lawyer Efadate. You interview him, including Apia. You interview him. And it's better for you say you shut up and come out and apologize to people. What they will platform a good say for forgiveness. Me don't come a Bible say. Me don't come a Bible. Every time I say you can even get billions of cedis. So why am I wanting to apologize to some people when you saw a platform to tarnish us? And when you know you will never get it back. I'm telling you the facts. Me did the Reverend Dr. Evangelist Patricia Mrs. Siama. Me didn't know. Agradaa me didn't know. Using your platform. Go many more say na hank of gumensa na wo promote na mo cansam na mo chantro na mo te platform so na mo buboki on the nyame aya nyame chia wo ka nyame wo chia wo ka and then me hu me kunu anim and then me kunu da me so me hu the sexy face of my husband and over to me na ayere so and ne when the baako and I look my way baako no eko aka baako. It's better for you to come out and apologize to people. You use your platform to disgrace people. Nobody is going to get sympathy for you, me especially. Who pay me nimguase? Who pay me wo? Who pay my money? Who pay me fiase? Then yamia for weni bako. I'm a weni bako aboa. Who soli any flyer for na also we good platform so. Abrana udo platform na dani any flyer for. Who se sawa mo weni fra abodan for, now we interview abodan for, now we interview when the flyer for, now omu good prominent people when you move say. Utimi ko tam will be a sebio, won't want there to your platform to disgrace a pastor. A woman of God, Omoma Bobra, woman told you yankadi. Now I cause some better platform so trying to disgrace them. Or when you go see a Kofi Adoma Yamediamau, Yamia when you want to the high authority. Bible say a real say when you are Kania. That's all we are now who are Jum Bonnet, send you penny guasia, and I would your pa, a real better than soon our brother. At the papa ma Emma Kofi Adoma Meka, and me president. But I have dashed you dollars before. 2019. Who by me TV station be who bra mampo. Who a diamasi, a brosaya mercy, a TV station. O buy me free my pum $dollars. But who feel how call you know? What did you go and did to me? You did not remember. So what do mean someone didn't put that? And all the Yamiao, Miss when Nino, your way papa no one so more boy, papa Mahama Nini, why are the Yamin Shrano? But Papa, some people are cursed by God. Some people are cursed. That some people are punished by God. I'm telling you. Who don't say coming? Who don't say because I am not guilty. But people always want to use me for money, for trend, for posts. Yanya ne bone, na yemfa nkwaji abodi. Yanya ne bone, na yemfa yi post. Edine bi mu ye me bone dia kwaji aboni no. Na me no ka say no. Edine kranka de ne kita on ka ope. Ne every one sa ekọ treating me like a dog, a woman like me. A woman with substance, a woman with case, treating me like a dog, treat me like you treat me like obiami nipa. And now Maria, you see what God has done to you people. Ebi money abupo, ebi money abo, ebi money free wamonsa. A lawyer will cut sana say go many one say and then you chat and I. A father te, o cut sana say yet see me go many one say and now I back when you chat. And the Kofi Adoma when back when a two and then a bimu and chuma a free wamonsa. I am the eye of God. Mi yenyami ni kosia. If I'm guilty, God will deal with me. But if I'm not guilty and you use your power to intimidate my life, you will never go scot-free. You will never go scot-free. Adai, mutumani si obaba ko peso me nye bone. And when you back na etu no. One of mama scanning there, e ka man kwa mo fe scanning kwa ya de foforo. Omo fe scanning kwa ya de foforo. Na sa wonu yere ni ki na mo beto na mo bone there. Me party amatia will never get sympathy for you. We are nipa bonefo, we guni penny mu ase a che. Kofi Adoma, we guni penny mu ase a che. Why you ungrateful to people a che? Brabonte na be pachaw. Ba kono, a se na ye alukumi no. Brabonte na be pachaw. Enye sa spiritually, ni a se no, ebe ko kan yen say ye no. Pa mark my words. Ube gumi mani mu ase. A woman with 5 children. Yen bury me, yen see me na me man na ni nyanka. Now all your own trust and I will enjoy. Now we you want me to get sympathy for you. And you say your bumpire saying yamen koma and yamen koya time for so. I am your bumpire saying yamin ni asamo mayeno. Na yami di asamo mami and me ma babenye sympathy for you. And now penny be a wood day who to me intimidating me life no. Say yami chia you want me to get sympathy for you. I will not get sympathy for you. Most other radio presenters, TV station presenters, they be at the bonnet and more kind of family. Now, I say, me nyanku po a woman and cranta sono. Me nyanku po a woman and cranta sono. Everybody will get their fata will be, you get it. Me do nyame. Me say, me nyanku po a woman and cranta sono. Their fata will be, you will get it. Or be a their fata ni biara, you get it. You will get it. Ube nyaw dia pepe. Sending a mutual will be a cano or shed your fatal not your boss bam. No waje. You can never escape. Upia benye ketchia. From the day I nyanko pound the powder a goome sono. Mese opia benye ketchia one after the other. One after the other. What would me bonnet? Yame friend me, Yame musraba me so only baby I would on saka me. You will never go scot-free. She will never go scot-free. Because Odon Saka the covenant child. You will never go scot-free.
Looking for the perfect home away from home? Stay with Pcash Properties in Akira Made, Kumasi. Luxurious, fully furnished spaces designed for your comfort. Book now, Ghana, +2 332 45 356 907 UK, +4 479 4606 0393. Visit www.pcashproperties.com. Your dreams stay awaits. Don't wait. Book today.